Well, my son Rob's putting a new stainless exhaust on the Can-Am. Got rid of the cat. That converter holds a whole lot of heat and causes a whole lot of unnecessary back pressure. Last time we had it out, it was melting the firewall and melted the brake lines off of the back of it from all the heat around them exhausts and around the cat. So it'll be much better off with all of it gone. It'll sound better too. I ain't riding behind it.
I hope the fucking mufflers make it quiet.
This is with the mufflers on.
Ready?
Yep, with the mufflers. Oh yeah. Not much. It's a little bit louder. A little deeper. Yeah, that sounds pretty good up there.